What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Depop account. So if you're on your Android phone and you simple search for Depop and you download that shopping application on your phone, you can go ahead and open up the app, and once you're inside the app, as you can see, you will have the option to continue with an email or use your Gmail. So if you have a Google account, it's super easy. Just simple tap on continue with Google, select an account of your choice. I'm going to quickly do that, then choose continue, and you'll be able to quickly sign into the application. This is going to quickly create an account for you, as you can see right here. And here you just need to confirm your date of birth. I'm going to just quickly choose something here, as we're already here. So I'm going to just choose some date here, and let's find a relatively easy year that is going to work. So we can choose, for example, this, for example, right? So you can choose a username. So I'm going to just quickly choose a username right here, and yeah, you can just choose no thanks or okay cool, whatever you want. You can just do that, click on allow right there, and it's going to start preparing your profile for you. And as you can see right here in the back, I'm here, I can say choose later for now. And yeah, we go ahead and we have our Depop account is clearly creating. We can just make up some stuff here, just add some few things here. So I'm gonna just choose some stuff, randomly. As you can see, click on next. Here you can choose whatever. You can say just basically click and continue. It's gonna quickly create your profile. All of these settings you can always go back and reconfigure, but that's pretty much it. But if you're wondering what is Depop, Depop is similar to Vinted. So if you're looking for alternative to Vinted, then Depop is also a great alternative that you can check out as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you go ahead and create a Depop account, guys. Very easy and very simple.